Now, second video will show you how to make a sale with VanMaster when the printer is already connected and set up with the handheld terminal, and when you make a sale, how to print a receipt on the mobile printer. Let's go.
Okay, we on login screen we enter user password and start enter and press enter. You see in the main screen of the VanAssist, to create a new cell you need to press button cells, and we see the main screen for the cells. First you need to select a customer. Press the button client, select the first letter from the name of the customer, and you see all customers created on the system. Select a correct one, select choice, and if the customer has more than one client object, you see the list of the objects. Select object, and in this screen we see all information about the selected customer and selected object for the customer. Press the button select and return on main screen to create a new cells. In this moment we need to select document type. We have a list of documents: warehouse receipt, invoice, compensation and return goods. I will select warehouse receipt. To add articles to the document, you need to press button add, and now in this screen you can scan barcode of the goods or search goods from the list. Select list, press this button, and I see all goods loaded in VanAssist that has quantity. Select a good and you see all information about this good. If this good has only one lot, it will be selected automatically. Here is available quantities for selected lot and all available quantities for this good. Enter the quan. Oh, it's my mistake, and press this button. When I press button add, the system will add this good to the document. Another good. You can use button enter from the terminal. Okay, if I'm ready, go exit and press button save. The system asks confirmation to start save, and now we're waiting to prepare a document for the printer. When the document is ready, you need to press button print to start printing on device. If you need another copy, you need to press button printer again. Press button exit to finish work with these cells.
That's it.